Today I just wanted to talk to all of you about how to get your kids back to school in a safe and healthy environment for your kids as well as the teachers at school. Um, with this new pandemic of COVID going on, I know a lot of people are really concerned about sending their kids to school, but I think the school education in person is very important, and along with not just the education, but I know a lot of kids get a lot of other resources at school in terms of foods, mental health, some occupational and speech therapy. So return to school back is going to help with all those accommodations that everybody needs. Um, Basically, the most important thing of getting your child back to school, you want to make sure that you are aware of what are the changes that are going to be made in schools. I don't know if your school is doing full-time in-person education, or they are recommending education from home, or maybe a hybrid form where you are doing partially going to school and partially from home. But whatever is your school recommending, it is very important that you get full information from your school and communicate that with your child, so when they return back to school, they know what to expect. The biggest thing, you want to make sure getting your child ready for school in the mornings before they go to school. You might want to check the temperature. If they have a temperature of 100.4 or more, you do not want to send them to school. Also check if they have any kind of symptoms of illnesses like sore throat, fever, cough, runny nose, headache, body ache, diarrhea, anything like that. There's a chance that they might be catching infection. You do not want to send them to school, as well as communicate that with school. If you or anybody in your family have had a close contact with COVID, you also want to inform school and not send your child to school, or at least get recommendation from school to see what they would recommend for you to do with your child. Also, I think it is important for you to communicate to your children about schools might have some policies regarding they might require the kids to stay in the same classroom, possibly with the same teacher all day. They might, if they are getting their lunch from school, they might be required to eat in the classroom. They might require to use face coverings. If they are using face coverings, you want to emphasize and educate them regarding how to use them, where their nose and mouth is completely covered, it's snugly fitting on their face. You might even want to put your child's name on the face covering. Might also want to send an extra one in their backpack just in case if they lose it.